Have mercy on my soul, O divine light. In shadows of my sins, guide me through night. With loving kindness, hear my humble plea. In your tender mercy, set my spirit free. Wash me, renew this weary heart from iniquity. Lord, may I depart. Sweet restoration, bring back my grace, bring out my grace. In your embrace I find my place. Let the broken bones of sorrow sing in the joy of thy salvation. My spirit takes wing. I own my faults, they haunt me day and night. Against you only I've wandered from light. Yet here I stand with hope that you will save. Restore my joy from the path that I crave. Hear the songs of joy that rise within. With open arms, let my journey begin. Sweet restoration, sweet restoration, bring back my grace. In your embrace I find my place. Let the broken bones of sorrow sing in the joy of salvation. My spirit takes with your Holy Spirit, forever I'll stay. In the light of your love, guide me each day.